Imagine everything you wear looks amazing on you. People are always stopping you saying, wow, that color is you. You look like you're glowing. You are radiant. You just come back from vacation. You are getting compliments everywhere you go. Now imagine the opposite. You show up to work in a new outfit. People are asking, are you sick? Are you tired? Are you coming down with something? Even though you're perfectly fine. You look in the mirror, you wonder, I look kind of washed out, or I look kind of ashy, or I look drained. That, my friend, is the power of color. The right colors can make you look radiant, refreshed, glowing, even younger, and the wrong colors can make you look tired, can make you look boring, can make you look ashy or washed out, like you need to book a spa vacation immediately. This is why I believe every woman should know her most flattering colors. Hey guys, it's your girl Breonna Queen. I am an image consultant and beauty blogger, over 15 years in the beauty industry, and on this channel I help you look and feel more put together so you can be the confident powerhouse that you already are. If that's your kind of thing, click that subscribe button and I hope you will join the family. When I first started learning about color theory, I was irritated because everything I saw was very whitewashed. Black women were either not in the color theory at all or we was an afterthought. I was so sick and tired of them automatically labeling Black women as dark winter. Just because you have dark eyes and dark hair does not mean you are dark winter. Alicia Keys is a spring. Kerry Washington is a spring. Breonna is summer. So why they constantly want to put us in winter drove me crazy, because clearly that's not true. And then a lot of times I watch YouTube videos and they'd be like, oh, you want to determine your undertone? Just look at your wrist. Are they blue? Are they green? That method does not always work for Black women, because as a Black woman, or if you have dark skin, the blue and green veins may not work for you because of the melanin of your skin. The blue may appear green, the green may appear blue. A lot of times people think that just because you have dark skin, you're automatically a worm, and that is not true. For example, Lapita has a cool undertone. When it comes to determining your best, most flattering color, when it comes to just the foundations, your undertone, whether you're warm, cool, or neutral, the first step is oftentimes done incorrectly because they assume just because we're dark, we're going to be warm tone, we're going to be winter. It was very, very frustrating. Even now, with so much advancement in AI, when you look up color analysis, what's a cool tone, what's a warm tone, what's a winter season, a spring season, a summer season, you're going to see mostly white women. That's what you'll see. So that's when I started really studying color theory, especially as an image consultant and a makeup artist. I've really studied darker skin, our skin type, and how to find our most flattering shades, because the right colors are going to work for your skin. They're not going to compete. They're not going to make you look ashy. They're going to complement you. And I'll give the example of Rihanna. Here's Rihanna wearing dark pink and red, and here's Rihanna wearing light pink. Obviously, she looks amazing in both colors, right? But one color is clearly competing with her, and one color is complementing her skin tone. That is the beauty of knowing your seasons and your most flattering colors. The right colors are going to bring out your eyes, your hair, your complexion. They're going to bring out the best things about you. Whereas wearing a color that is not as flattering, it may wash you out. And the thing is, like, wearing a color that's not as flattering for you doesn't mean the color is ugly on you, because you know you look cute and everything, but it just means that it's not going to complement you the best. I still wear colors that don't necessarily complement me the best. For example, I look better in cream than I do white. I'm still going to wear white. It just means that you know what colors look best on you, so that when you take a photo, you look like you're glowing instead of washed out. When you buy clothes, you're not wasting as much money on clothes. When you know your most flattering colors, dressing is so much easier. I feel like fashion these days can be overcomplicated, right? Like, there's so many trends and styles, but when you know your most flattering colors, when you know your most flattering cuts for your body type, when you know the style that you love, dressing gets to be easy. It gets to be fun. You get to look amazing without it being overcomplicated. So knowing your best color is going to make fashion easier for you, because you already know it's going to look amazing on you. For me, I really like the 16 seasons color analysis. There's a 4, there's an 8, there's a 12. Okay, I feel like 16 really is for Black women more, because it's going to give us the undertones, your contrast, if you're lighter or deeper, if you look better, more bright colors or muted colors. So let me give you guys some examples of how knowing your most flattering colors is going to really amplify your look. Here's an example of Beyonce. She's wearing dark emerald green with these gold earrings. And the next one, she's like a white shirt on and her hair is more cool tone. Which one do you think Beyonce looks better wearing? Which one makes her radiant and glowing? And which one makes her look washed out? All right, okay, so here's another example. Tyra Banks. So Tyra Banks, beautiful supermodel. So here are two colors. So this one, she is wearing yellow, a bright bright electric yellow. And then this one, she is wearing this beautiful purple. Which color do you think flatters her more? Which color is kind of competing with her complexion and looks a little abrasive? And then which one makes her look more soft and complements her complexion? Knowing your most flattering colors is really going to amplify your looks, because you're going to be able to wear clothes that just look good. You're not going to look off. You're not going to look washed out. You're not going to look sickly. You're going to look great. So let's do one more example. Keke Palmer looks great in both, but which one flatters her the best? The orange hair and the orange dress, or more so like this indigo dress? Which one do you think is more flattering on her? Knowing your most flattering colors is going to change the game for, it's going to allow you to wear clothes that instantly make you look bright. It's going to allow you to mix and match your outfit so that you always look great. And you're really going to be able to determine the best colors for you based on your skin. And the thing is, traditional color analysis, they were developed with white skin in mind. Would say darker skin automatically means high contrast and deep value, because you have dark eyes, dark skin, and dark hair. So I'm like, okay, you got dark, this must mean that you winner. So if you want to know what's your most flattering colors, what's your least flattering colors, I did create a Discover Your Color kit, and it's all about helping you determine your most flattering colors in less than 15 minutes. You're going to get over 16 different frames based on this color analysis, determine which color looks best on you. You can upload your photo and you'll be able to tell which one looks best on you. This is a completely digital kit. You can print off the printed ones, and then you'll be able to put your face on it, and then you can see what colors flatter you. And there's different frames based on the different 16 color. Now, what color is this? This one is dark winter, and then there's other frames. There's the spring, the summer. You're able to like put it against your face, and you can see this color flatter. And dark winter actually looks really great on me, right? And then there's some colors that just don't look as good on me. You cut the circle, and then you're able to do your frames. You can have like your girls come over. Y'all can all figure out your color analysis. And then on top of that, you're going to get my in-depth guide that's going to tell you flattering colors for you to wear, least flattering colors, jewelry, makeup. So by the end of the kit, you know your most flattering colors and your least flattering colors. I have to have a PhD in color theory. I created the Discover Your Color kit. This kit was designed for dark skin, for women of color, and Black women. Most of the examples I use in the color seasons are Black or Hispanic women. This is why I created this kit. Something I wish I had when I first started color analysis, being able to say, what color am I? What are my most flattering colors? What are my most flattering jewelry? Because one thing I noticed is I've always looked really good in gold jewelry, but I've noticed that certain golds did not look great on me. Like, so super stark golds, it was too much for me, but the really light or muted gold, this looked better on me. I do also include that in the kit, are which types of jewelry: platinum, silver, gold, bronze. So I do also include that in the Discover Your Color kit so that you can figure out what are your best colors. Knowing your colors is going to truly amplify your look, your clothes, your makeup, your hair, your jewelry. It is going to make you look like you're glowing. So if you would like me to do like a little trial, like I show you different women in real time, Black women who are cool tone and warm tone, and how we change their appearance, let me know down below in the comments, all right? So I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.